Kochi, abeg na, pity us. We go try win our remaining 4 matches.
Mason Mount, no disturb me oh. Today una go know say na crime to not qualify for Champions League. Una go dey here until our next game.
Abeg, Kochi.
But Kochi, no be our fault na. Na this bad luck sponsor wey we carry wear for body na him cause am. See, Arenze, I swear ba, if you continue with this your superstitious nonsense ba, I go make sure say you balaga go your village.
But Kochi, if we dey inside here till our next match, how we go take shit abi peace?
See yahoo question oh. Una go shit inside there na. Use una peace flush am.
Abeg na. What if we want chop?
Oh, so your own na to chop food abi? After you go dey run like turkey for pitch. No worry, food go boku for you. By the time you don chop 1 spoon of your shit ba, you go realize say the food too much.
But Kochi, how I go take bath now? My body dey scratch me oh.
Blood of God, I don't know whether to vex for una question abi for the match. In short, you know wetin? I go donate my piece so una go fit bath. Foolish boys.
Kochi, but last we no be fish oh. This place dey tight us.
Rudiger, na you dey talk? With your tiny fish brain, na you dey tell me we no be fish oh. God punish you there, idiot.